schedule background. Okay. Okay, we'll edit for her. So again, you have to use it in native language also. Your full name written in your native language or script. Okay. I need to use Google Translator again. You can do it English. Okay, let's say her name is Stacy Smith. Birth date is already there. Personal details of your father. I don't know why they ask it again and again. Peter. So here Smith word I can copy. But Peter I still need. Make sure these dates match. That's why I've said always that. Make sure you verify everything that you enter at least 2 times. Town and city of birth. Let's say he was also born in New Delhi. Country or territory, India. Mommy. Let's say her mommy name. What was that we had given in that other video? Smith is again the family name. Brianna. Brina. Now Smith I can copy. Bytes. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, just be careful what you are clicking, what you are copying, because common keyboard errors can always happen. Date of birth. Town, let's say she was also born in New Delhi. Country, India. Questionnaire. Convicted of any crime or offense in Canada for which I select no. Currently charged with on trial crime offense. I select no. Made previous claims for refugee protection Canada or a Canadian visa office abroad. I select no. Been refused refugee status, immigrant permits, into or out of order to leave Canada or any other country. I select no. Genocide of war crime or commission of war. No. The group that used to get I select no. Nation that based I select no. Put in jail I select no. Mental disorder select no. If you have yes, provide the details. Education. So of school you successfully completed for each of them. Okay, so I select 5 primary, 5 plus 2 high, so I'll put 7. University college, let's say 3. Trade school no. So secondary and post secondary. You had okay. Secondary and above, okay. So university. So let's say she was born in 2002. So let's say when she was 15, she passed in 9. So that will be 2017, 2 years more, 2019. So let's say 2019 to 2022, she studied. 2019 May to 2022 May. She studied what? Let's say Delhi Hero School, Delhi Hero College. Is there anything like this? I don't believe so. City, New Delhi. City and country, New Delhi, India. Don't forget that. Type of certificate. Let's say she got Bachelor's of Science. Be careful with the spelling also. Don't do any typo. So I'll say BSc. Field of study. Okay. It's coming to me. What should we do? Say do ta- 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 ta. Let's say science. Personal. More. So this is for her education. Uh, I'll just remove it, like high school and all, because, but definitely provide that details. Okay. Just sample videos, I'm skipping it, but in your actual, don't do it. Personal history. Provide the details of personal history for past 10 years or since your 18th birthday if it was less than 10 years. So 2002, 1822. So 2020 onwards. Okay. So let's say she was born in 20 in October, right? So we can even go from back like 19 to 2022 May, and she was studying, right? So, but with most recent one and without leaving any period. So not study, let's say what she's doing after. Let's say 2022 06 to now. So let's say 2026 04. What she's doing? She is your under activity, write your occupation or job title if you're working. So let's say she is a clerk. City, town, New Delhi, and country. Don't forget that. Status, citizen, name of company, employer, school, facility as applicable. Let's say New Delhi and services. Just sample. Although sometimes I'm not good in imagination. Add another because we need to add more because we must not skip any period. So now we can put the study details like 2019 and all that she has studied. I'm just removing it, but you don't do that because we have to provide all the details work based on what they have asked. If you skip anything, there'll be a problem. Okay. So provide what organizations have you supported, been member, or be associated, including any political, social, youth, or student organization. Wow. Trade union, professional association. Do not use abbreviation. If nothing, then write none. First pass. So I'll just write none. I have never been part of any student union. In my college, it was not even allowed to. When we joined, we were uh, told to sign on a paper for this, and I had signed myself. Government position. Okay, you, the principal, must fill this form. You okay? Fine. None in first field if you have never held any government position. I'll say none. Now again coming from military. Right, none. Okay, that's what they have said here. So I'm just doing it. Addresses order where you have lived in past 10 years or since your 2020 birthday if it was less than. Okay, wow. Let's say she has been living here for 2015-01. Sample, but do it as per your own case. Okay, this is also fine.